Yes! I didn't die! I can't fucking believe I did that! It's 5:30 now a.m. I just got up to surf. And I just realized that I forgot my wetsuit. Although I have my board right here, I'm like very tempted to go out. The waves are actually, it's freaking cold. I don't think I can last more than maybe 10-15 minutes. And that's not worth it. But it's a bummer. Oh, looks so good. I mean, not too big, but looks... There are waves out there. You could have catched that one. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do it. So I literally have nothing that can be like warm. So I have my yoga pants, sports bra, and then I have these two t-shirts. The long sleeve is a cropped short. So I have to go with this one. No sleeves, but longer. This is gonna be so bad. I hope I don't get sick out of this. I can't believe I don't have t-shirts. I look like I'm going to a yoga class. Oh my god. I have my hoodies. So imagine not wearing a wetsuit and just only putting it on. You know what? I'm gonna put on this shirt on top because this is not gonna work. Yeah. What am I thinking? Okay, let's do this. Let's go. Let's do it. I'm also gonna go out barefoot today because I don't have my booties either. Okay, wish me luck. We did it! We did it! No, I did it! I did it! Me, myself, and I did it! Oh my god, I'm like freezing right now, like shaking. Look at that. It's crowded now. And like my hands are... Seriously, I'm not doing this on purpose. I am freezing and my hand is like in this position, like I can't straighten it. Oh my god. I didn't die, but the water was so freaking cold. Hot shower. I can't fucking believe I did that. Let's drive. Oh my god.